Any mention?
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 26, Your Lordship. 26.
Who's the other side?
I'm for the petition. I'm for the petition.
Yeah, objection.
No.
What's the reason?
Some personal difficulties, Your Lordship.
Who's possibility?
Mr. SD.
Where's SDEP?
SD.
Masaf.
Much better.
2 weeks.
Much better, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, item number
Yes.
23 and 24. Just now I have received a copy of the affidavit which the state is
In the
supposed to
hearing
file.
list, it just...
Yes.
How?
In the hearing,
Additional affidavit to bring on record
some documents.
some documents. The proceeding
document?
of the proceeding of the departmental
Departmental
proceeding is. Just now I have filed.
What is regarding that she's substituting her
Husband, yes, Lordship. So, matter may come up after 2 weeks, Lordship. In the meantime, I will go through it,
After 3 weeks, yes.
Lordship.
As the additional affidavit, Mr. S.C. Upadhyay prays for adjournment as he has just received the additional affidavit filed by the state respondents. This is only a matter of 3 weeks, yes.
Hello, Lordship.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 28. As the senior counsel requires some time to prepare.
George Charleston by so much.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Sometime, yes. Where's the other side?
Other counsel, I have already informed them.
Where are they?
I don't know.
You informed them?
Yes,
You
Your
sure?
Lordship. Yes.
2 weeks. 28, yes. Yes.
May it please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 22, my lord. Just inform the council. So this matter is for pending before a committee for consideration of certain defects in the rules. So we've taken instructions, the matter is still pending. They require more. This is from the education department, my lord. The service rules of the education department. This is pending a review before a committee. There are some issues in that in the rules itself. There are certain defects in the language of the rules. So therefore, it is pending for revision. Before
The committee will take 10 years.
Lordship, we understand, Lord. We made this mention quite some time back. It's pending before them. We've asked them for a status
2020,
update.
How did it surface here again in this court?
This was pending before Lordships.
Recused by, oh. Achha, it was never here before this court before.
No, it was before Lordships.
Initially, it was before this honorable court.
Why are you challenging some rules?
No, my lord. We are seeking, because there are rules which says that upon completion of 8 years of service, they will be entitled to upgradation, my lord.
Functional promotion, you mean?
Functional
Lordship.
promotion.
After?
May I pray for about 3 weeks, my lord? 4 weeks is fine.
As last opportunity, my lord. It's about 6 months now, my lord.
Mr. S. and Leonard, Government Advocate submits, please the matter be decided after 4 weeks as the matter is under consideration before committee
Lordship.
of the Education Department.
Lordship.
Yes, prayers allowed. Yes.
Obliged, my lord.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 33 on behalf
Number?
of Mr. Shulai. 33, Lordship.
Where's Mr. Shulai?
Due to some difficulties, he's not available today.
Actually, Your Lordship, in this matter, I want to seek permission to file for additional affidavits, Your
Right.
Lordship, to bring into records two notification, Lordship, which we came into, which we came across
Which
after
notification are those? What
notification about this 2
importance do they
years,
have? Yes.
which and this notification from the Government of Meghalaya Education Department, Your Lordship, which prescribed the 2 years diploma necessary for filing to appear in the MCHET, Your Lordship.
And the other notification? Only this one?
Two notification, Your Lordship, along with.
21. Okay. Top Mr. E.R. Khan, audio of the Government Advocates has sought time due to the unavailability of the arguings of the EAG, Mr. Ndi Shulai. Stop. However, MS Karmendai, correct?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Has prayed that the petitioner be allowed to file an additional affidavit beyond record 2 notifications which have a bearing in the instant case. Stop. Accordingly, this is matter after 2 weeks. Affidavits be filed in the meanwhile.
Yes, Your Lordship. Much obliged, Your Lordship.
May it please Your Lordship, I beg to mention item 32 of the hearing list.
32.
To Your Lordship.
Where's the petitioner?
My lord, this matter was pending for quite some time, and I say that because the 2 private respondents who have secured a job based on fake certificates, my lord, and I have 2-3 documents to show to prove, my lord. And the adjournment has been sought by the MPSC. MPSC has not much to do.
Lordship, we were the ones who conducted the exam and verified the certificates, Your Lordship.
And all today, what I wanted to pray is, my lord may not decide the matter because I am also having a little tooth problem. But only thing is that I wanted to show, yes, my lord, two teeth I got extracted, so was having little difficulty in talking.
But have difficulty in eating.
Eating and talking about. So only prayer 3. I actually wanted to pray on prayer 3.
But then, if you're not ready today, then we'll have it some other day. After 1 week.
After 1 week, my lord, yes.
Yes, MS BF Khartoum, please funds allowed. Please for request that matter be decided after 1 week. Please allow this 1 week. That's 32.
Item 32.
32.
1 week. Yes.
No, obliged.
Your Lordship, I have similar prayer for item 25, Your Lordship.
25.
25, Your Lordship.
You're all still in vacation mode. Who's for other side? You have objection?
No.
You have 2 weeks, yes.
Highly obliged.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 29.
You inform both other forces of petitioner.
And
Yes.
You for the petitioner?
Yes, Lordship.
You have objection?
No, Lordship.
How long?
So, 3 weeks, Your Lordship.
3 weeks.
Yes.
3 weeks, okay. He's not recovered.
No, Your Lordship.
Yes, you are paying for whom? There's no urgency.
Not really, Lordship.
Okay, 3 weeks. Yes.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Supplementary list item number 1.
May it please, Lordship. Lordship, this matter pertains to the master role employees, Lordship.
Master role employees?
Master role employees, Lord, who was terminated.
How many petitioners are here?
Lordship, one petitioner is there,
Only
Lordship.
one.
Lordship, kindly come to my prayer portion, Lordship, at page 9.
Yes.
Lordship, my prayer is to set aside, the first prayer is to set aside and quash the impugned termination order dated,
Little louder.
dated 23/08/2024.
Where's the termination order?
Lordship. And the termination order is at page 38.
Termination
Lordship.
order, master role.
Lordship. At page 38, Lordship.
Oh. Same time master role, same time with contractor also.
Lordship, kindly see the order, Lordship.
Yes. Read it.
Lordship, as per the conduct of service rules of government, no staff or MR is allowed to be registered as contractor or supplier. Therefore, you are requested to withdraw your registration as contractor or supplier immediately, pending the acceptance of your withdrawal as contractor or supplier by the concerned authority department. Your name has been temporarily removed from MR labor list.
So then you have to remove your...
Lordship, he's relying on this conduct of service rules, Lordship. And subsequent to this one, we have filed one RTI application, Lordship, seeking the rules. Also, and this RTI application is at page 39, Lordship.
Page?
Annexure 4, 39, Lordship.
Okay. What does it say?
Lordship, here, Lordship, we applied for this rules, and the reply is at page 41, Lordship. Annexure 6. Lordship. Here, Lordship, he's relying on this, he's placing this Meghalaya Service Rules 2019, Lordship. And the specific point he's relying here, Lordship, is this 15, private trade or employment, Lordship. But, Lordship,
Where is that private employment?
this at page 43. Page 43, Lordship. Clause number 15.
Yes.
Also, subject to the provision of some rule, no government employee shall, except with the previous sanction of the government, engage directly or
Okay.
indirectly.
Now you lost the rule. How can you be contractor
now,
at the
Lordship,
same time?
come to this rule, Lordship. This rule is at page 15, Lordship, Annexure 2.
15.
Lordship.
Yes.
Can you see the definition, Lordship? In this rules, definition number 2, Lordship. Clause number 2, Lordship. In these rules, unless the context otherwise requires, government means the government of Meghalaya, and this B, government employee means any person appointed by the government in any civil service or post in connection with the affairs of the state Meghalaya.
Yes.
Lordship.
So you're not appointed by the government in MR post.
Lordship, this MR are actually they're not the government employees, Lordship. They are laborers. They are paid on daily wages. They're paid on daily wages.
Who pays you?
Lordship.
Who pays you?
Lordship, the department pays, Lordship, on daily
So once
engagement.
you take
As
your
per their
department,
engagement, Lordship.
Can the master role now who's working in the PUD be registered as a contractor and do contract there also?
Lordship, but there's no definition of master role in the rules, Lordship.
Okay, since move yourself, yes.
I'm only praying for
take notice,
notice,
yes.
Lordship.
But then master role, see, you are in the role of the government only master role, right?
Lordship.
And
Well,
even
Lordship,
after you
but
for
they
10
are not
years, you
considered
under the
as-
scheme, you will be eligible for regular
Because
casual work
Lordship,
also.
for them they are paid daily wages on daily.
So,
and
are you
plus
a
there's
contractor or
no Lordship.
Are you a contractor?
I'm registered, Lordship.
How many works I can
Lordship,
take undertaking right now?
Lordship, right now no work.
Court might ask you to have you annexed your registration certificate with which department?
Lordship, I've
Class
not
one,
annexed.
class two, class three
Some I have
contractor.
withdrawn and some.
No, are you class 1, class 2, class 3 contractor?
Lordship, that I'm not aware, Lordship. But
You ask your client whether you're class 1 registered, class 2, or class 3.
Lordship.
Okay, because then we just issue notice, yes, but then I don't think you have a case. He has heard Mr. T. the Khan, the counsel, the petitioner, issue notice, Mr. Khan, etc. They have all the respondents. No further was called for. Just after 3 weeks, yes. So you finished other thing. How many contracts have you finished, completed?
That I have to seek
You
information.
ask him because next year court will ask his questions. When was he registered as a contractor? What class contractor is he? And how many contracts has he been awarded and completed his work? Or been a subcontractor also? Okay.
Item number 2.
Yes. Why do you want a hearing on this, Mr. Muzika?
My lord, what happened? We have filed an affidavit, my lord. Lordship, kindly, I'll just point out a few paragraphs, my lord. My lord, the
Where
dispute.
was the Philemon Nobri?
He's indisposed, Your Lordship, today.
He's in the?
Indisposed, Your Lordship. She's appearing through VC, Your Lordship.
My lord, I am appearing, Your Lordships, in this matter, my lord.
Right. Yes,
Yes, Your Lordship.
yesterday the matter, we said we'll pass orders, but later they mentioned that they wanted to be heard. So that's why we just, yes. Why you want to be heard?
My lord, in my affidavit, Your Lordship kindly sees, my lord.
Where?
Page 2, para 3.
Page 2?
Para 3.
Yes.
Lordship will see
What number is it?
Schedule A, my lord.
Yes.
So there are 6 sections of this particular work, my lord. And the work was about 358 crore rupees, my lord. And there are 6 sections. Now, on the next page, my lord, if Lordship kindly turns to page 4, my lord. Subpara B, I'll just read.
Yes.
it is stated that the final bill against Section 6 was signed by the petitioner with a clear no-claim certificate, and the payment of the final bill was received by the petitioner on 29 March 22 without any protest. Therefore, the accord and satisfaction has been fulfilled as per Section 63 of the Contract Act. This is with regard to Section 6, my lord. Next para, lordship, kindly sees, my lord.
Yes.
In respect of sections namely 1 and 3 to 5, petitioner has submitted the final bill stating disputed portion of final bill shall be submitted separately. However, the petitioner never submitted the disputed portion of the final bill for consideration of the department. Further, in respect of section 2, the petitioner has not resubmitted the final bill which was returned to him on 22nd July 24 for compliance of certain observations. So, my lord, in these circumstances, my lord, section 6 will also be seen, of course, but 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, my lord, even the dispute is not arisen. They have not even submitted the final bill. They submit the final bill, we reject that, my lord, then the dispute will arise.
Is that correct? Have you not submitted a final bill?
Absolutely, my lords, this is absolutely a missubmission, my lords, if I may humbly state so. Lordships, in fact, I have given the details of all the final bills. If I can give a brief background, this entire contract consists of 6 subcontracts, my lords. My lords, the date of the start of the work was somewhere 2017-18, and completion period for all the subcontracts was extended. Your lordships, for your lordships' ease, my lords, I have highlighted that in my petition also, which your lordships will find at page 9 of my petition.
Have you rebutted this page 9? I mean, what have you made rebuttals to this? Where page 9? What have paragraph?
Page 9 of my petition, your lordships.
Yes.
There's a table, my lords.
Right.
My lords, this table consists of all the sections which have been relied on by the respondent, your lordships, the original date of completion and the actual date of completion.
Okay.
My lords, now the final bills have been submitted. I have filed all those letters. As per condition 66 of the contract, my lords, they have to make the payment within 9 months. They have not made it. So therefore, my lords, the dispute has arisen. In fact, today, my lords, they are coming and making this statement. When I invoked the arbitration, lordships may kindly have their letter.
Once they've submitted the bills and you dispute them, you're not paying them, that is arbitrable.
Our case is that they have not even submitted the bill, my lord.
But they say that
My lords, that absolutely, my lords may kindly have their own submission at page 11 of their reply affidavit. Page 11 of their reply affidavit, my lords, may kindly have it for the moment.
Why would they come to section 11 if there's no arbitrable dispute?
And lordships, they have replied to my notice invoking arbitration saying that please consider this. I will show that letter also, my lords. And my lords may kindly have para 20 at page 11, my lords.
Yes.
My lords, please see that with regard to statement and averments made in para so-and-so, the deponent submits that the contents are incorrect and therefore denied. It is stated that the decision on all deviation orders have already been conveyed to the petitioner except one deviation order which is under finalization. Then they go on to say, in respect of deviation order pertaining to additional provision of so-and-so, 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 the admissibility of DO had already been conveyed by accepting officer by letter number dated 19th May 2022 and request for review by petitioner by letter dated 4th July 24. Further, the final bills submitted by the petitioner are under process at various stages. Even the final bill against Section 6 has already been paid to him. My lords, the final bill has admittedly been submitted. It is under process by them. My lords, the condition 66 is very clear. You have to make the payment, undisputed part at least, you have to make the payment within 9 months. Which your lordships, my humble submission is that was not made. Hence, my lords, I kept writing to them. My lords, my bank guarantees have also been illegally withheld by them. My lords can imagine the amount of bank guarantees which have been withheld, and they are saying because the final bill is not paid, we are withholding the bank guarantees. My lords, if I may humbly submit, this is an afterthought, my lords. There is no such situation as.
Yes.
My lord, the second aspect was, my lord, yesterday.
No, but in your own admission, Dr. Mojika, you said final has been submitted. And if anything, you put it for the arbitrator?
My lord, my lord, only one aspect, my lord,
Yes.
the choice of arbitrator, my lord.
Let's see.
My lord.
This is the own panel.
My lord, this is my own
Then?
panel, my lord. There
Then?
is no problem. Even in the earlier order passed by lordship, the same arbitrator was appointed. And these are very.
Order?
I'm placing this order. So, my lord, what my instruction is that, my lord, Arvind Kumar Arora, C, my lord. I think yesterday Saurabh Mathur was. Even in this case,
Same
Saurabh,
party.
the counsel was same, my lord, but party is a different one.
Counsel will say meaning?
No, my lords. My lords, it was Mr. Arvind Kumar.
Yes.
Saurabh Mathur was appointed by this order also. So, my instruction is, my lord, Arvind Kumar Arora, page 16 of my affidavit, my lord. Is the retired Director General of MBS.
So, one thing, MS Mittal, do you agree to...
My lords, I am agreeing to Mr. Arvind Kumar Arora at serial number C.
See, that's one. Yes. With path orders. Yes.
Mr. Arvind Kumar Arora,
Right.
Lordships, it is at the reply affidavit, my lords,
See.
at page number 16.
Right. We'll path orders.
Lordships had my lords had given his name only yesterday. It was not
Right,
Mr.
right.
Mathur,
Yes,
it
you
was
give the
Mr.
same name only. See.
I was told it was Saurabh Mathur. was-
No. Yes.
Daily list item number 1.
Yes. We'll dispose of this.
Yes. Highly obliged, my lords.
May it please, Your Lordship. Lordship, on the last occasion, the matter with locus of the petitioner was raised. So, Your Lordship, the matter in controversy here, which was involved in the former writ, was related to the removal of the headman. So then it was sent to the respondent number 1 for adjudication.
Yes.
However, Your Lordship, the impugn order 12/7/2024 was passed, whereby a fresh cause of action has arisen. So now, Your Lordship.
First, you have to meet the.
Yes, Your Lordship. I'm just briefing Your Lordship with the previous writ which I have filed. Now, Your Lordship, the matter of concern here with the locus is that there has been the petitioner here, in Your Lordship, is aware of the entire controversy related to the issue with the remove the headman.
First,
And, Your Lordship.
First, is Surginong.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Withdrawn, correct?
Yes.
Then you have
No,
come
not
now-
withdrawn, Your Lordship.
Sorry.
Direction was given to the respondent
Oh,
number 1.
Right, sorry. Now, is there to commit the operation?
Yes, Your Lordship. So the executive committee here in Your Lordship has stepped in. Your Lordship, there has been a matter of public interest involved as well, Your Lordship. And the fresh cause of action that has arisen is that there has been existence of a parallel governance in Maungap Klishno, Your Lordship. So that has brought in much controversy, Your Lordship. So the petitioner here is the main recipient of the impugn order passed by the respondent number 1, Your Lordship, which is that
The respondent, the
petitioner, Your Lordship.
affected most by this order.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Which is at Annexion 9, page 42, Your Lordship. He was served with the copy of the impugn order, Your Lordship. 12/7/2024.
One thing also, if I remember correctly, Ms. Lingdo, is your prayer also.
Your Lordship, that for the prayer portion.
Something wrong with your prayer.
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, my main contention here is with respect to allow the writ first, Your Lordship, with respect to the locus. The prayer portion, Your Lordship, I have a prayer to make that a certain prayer of the portion may be strike off, and that also may be allowed in the event of the proceedings may be proceed, Your Lordship, upon adjudication of the matter. So, Your Lordship, there is matter of public interest concern where the choice of the people where they have elect the headman, Your Lordship, and there's been a choice of the respondent number 2, Your Lordship. There he has elect his own headman, which is the acting headman at present. So, Your Lordship, this has brought a nature of conflict in the public interest in the area. Lordship. So, this, Your Lordship, needs to be adjudicated and looked upon. And I have certain judgment, Your Lordship, which with respect.
Now you mean this R.L. Solia has come back as headman?
No, Your Lordship, this Kamboklang has come back as
was
headman.
filed by your other petitioner, the Surki, whatever.
No, Surki Nong Shong
Sur Nong Shong, right?
Yes, Lord.
Against the removal of
the headman.
Kamborlang Khashandi by the Lingdo Oklang, correct?
Yes.
Then after that, this R.L. Solia Mantri Support caretaker. Then this, you mean that this Osterlang Kriem is the present one now?
No, Your Lordship. This Kamboklang Kharsandi has come back as the headman, Your Lordship. But Your Lordship, during pendency of the entire proceedings before this council,
Very confusing. See, the executive committee can say that to remove article of Vaishnam, that's it by itself and for us. Okay. Should have to complain to executive committee, can accept the level of arbitration. It's all the Now, the appeal would order ask him to file a formal appeal.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Then file it.
No, Your Lordship, because the formal appeal, if I have to file, Lordship, I'll be filing before a proper party in the previous writ, Lordship, in the former writ. He's the main party, necessary party. He's the proper and necessary party in the former writ.
Who?
The Lingdor.
Right, okay.
Yes, Your Lordship. So there will be a grave injustice to me, Your Lordship, in that. Because I was removed by the actions of the Lingdor, Your Lordship, who was a necessary and proper party in the former writ. So, Your Lordship, there will be grave injustice to me.
Yes.
So now, Your Lordship, during pendency of the entire proceedings, prior to passing of the impugn order, I was...
Who's the acting headman now?
He's still operating as this Australan Cream. He's the respondent number 3.
So I'm saying Australan Cream now is the acting headman. Correct?
Yes, Your Lordship.
That's what he said. Kharsandi is the acting headman.
No, Your Lordship, but there has been a...
Your first, why you agreed with first is the removal of Kharsandi.
Yes,
correct?
Your Lordship, yes.
By the Lingdor Moplan.
Yes.
Then this matter, you were running around in the council, you came here while the matter was still seized in the council, you came here by the earlier petition.
I filed a contempt...
Court said, this court said, why you have come here? Let the matter be disposed of by the council first.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Now what they've done is only that you've gone back there, they said file a formal appeal.
Yes, Your Lordship, but he's a necessary party, Your Lordship.
So
if
file
the
a
formal
appeal
appeal that I should file...
Take it up.
Lordship, there should be an end to the entire controversy, Lordship. There is a existence of parallel governance.
On the last occasion,
and this very much affected the administration
So the
and
locus,
management.
whatever locus, notwithstanding the locus, if the people really aggrieved, they have somewhere to ventilate their grievances. And if they feel that they're not going to get any, which is correct also, since they agree with the action to Lingdor Moplang, so why should they file an appeal before him? Can't the council take up the matter?
My Lord, will come to page 40 of the writ petition. My Lord, page 40 is a resolution dated 1/7/2024. Dorbar Shinong Mongap Kli Shinong.
Yes.
Page 40. This was addressed to the Deputy Secretary, my Lord. It is a resolution in the matter relating to the election of the headman and also the members of the village. Now, my Lord, as per the Act, 1959 Act, this resolution has to go to this aim. Because he is the person, it appears that a Darbar was held on such a date and they've taken a decision to again choose Mr. Khamborlang Kharshandi as the headman.
Yeah.
So the district council cannot take it up unless it goes to the Lingdor. It's a different...
See, this is different footing.
Yes.
What they do, they have come against the impugn order, why? Ask them to file an appeal against the removal of this fellow. Now they've taken resolution. This stands a different footing.
District council, now who is the aggrieved party? The aggrieved party is the person who has been removed.
Right.
Yeah, first the Surki Pajba, now the executive committee. Executive committee of the so-called petitioner has also been dissolved with the removal of the headman.
No, he has to cross the hurdle.
Yes.
I'm just saying, for a time being, notwithstanding locus, what kind of cases he have? But think that locus, I don't think you can overcome that.
But Your Lordship, on grounds of the...
Yes, that is the question.
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I have sent judgments of the Honorable Supreme Court, which, if there matters involved for public interest...
Supreme Court right now, is asking every case has its own life.
Yes, Your Lordship.
And its own what the court wants to know is only one thing. Now, where's Mr. Khambalong Kharchandi? He should be the one who's aggrieved.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Where is he? Is he in the
Your
court
Lordship.
here now, today?
No, Your Lordship.
He's the one behind it. Why doesn't he come himself? Why is he putting the gun from your shoulder? First, he put the gun from the shoulder of this Surunong Shongshnong. Now, from this
executive committee.
Next, why?
Your Lordship, as of
what is the problem? You tell the
in
court,
the nature of that,
what
Your Lordship.
prevents him? He is a person who's the first person affected. What prevents him? You are secondary.
Yes.
The residents of the village is secondary. Suppose they want a certain person to be there who's good for the people, and that person is not there, they have right to be aggrieved, yes. But the person who should be aggrieved with removal is a person who's been removed.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Why is that
I
coming
agree
forward?
with that, Your Lordship. But, Your Lordship, the entire circumstances and
No,
nature, it
circumstances
changed,
is
Your
fine.
Lordship, during the
We
pendency
understand.
of the impune
Whatever
order.
happen. But why is he not here before the court?
Lordship, then I seek the prayer that I'll make
Bring
him a
him before
proper
the court.
party. Lordship, I'll make him a
No,
necessary
why?
party before.
No, that's, why he's not come here? He's not willing, that means.
No, he's willing, Your Lordship.
Then where is he?
That's why
The grounds, Your Lordship, of which, Your Lordship, the entire controversy that arose, Your Lordship, it was pendency before passing of the impune order.
So that's okay.
As different
The first
circumstances
time-
and footing it came up,
First
Your Lordship.
circumstance was that he was removed by Little Moplang, Sur Nong Shnong, Nong Kasur Ginong Shong Shnong, whenever he came, this, that, he came for his court, then we asked, then they passed that order, right?
Yes.
Where, but you are appearing for whom, Mr. Nath?
I'm for the disseminate 2 and 3, madam.
You are the Lingdo?
I'm the Lingdo and the acting headman, madam. Here in entire petition, my lord, same contents they have brought again, my lord, where former earlier the petition has been disposed of. Now the question, my lord, that rightly or wrongly, that was to be challenged, my lord. That has not been challenged by the aggrieved party. Sur Nongshnong, my lord, they have gone their own way, praying for against the removal of the headman, my lord.
Now they've come by fresh state, that's what.
Now they have come with fresh with the executive committee members who are not no more active in the village, my lord. My lord,
Who are you?
Despite of
Let me come to the point, Lordship, where my learned friend has stated about the executive committee.
Running around in circles.
No, Lordship. The executive committee has been there, even prior to filing
Has
of
been there,
whatever.
fine.
Yes.
Is it still there?
Yes, Your Lordship. It's still there, Your Lordship. Even prior to institution of the
Constituted
writ.
by the village.
No dissolution as such was there, Your Lordship. In my statement, I have made, Your Lordship.
Making a statement is very well and good, but is the executive committee still subsisting?
Yes, Your
or
Lordship.
dissolved?
And this is the grounds
But
of.
then you have to put an affidavit.
No.
It's still subsisting.
My lord,
My Lordship, this is the grounds where I have approached before Your Lordship of the existence of a parallel governance. At the
Parallel
village.
government, where's the person who aggrieved?
the federal government, my lord, they are creating the federal government status.
Your Lordship, mechanically, I draw Your Lordship
So there'll be three
attention to.
governments now. First, Sur Nong Shong Shnong, then the executive committee of this Mongap Klishnong, and then the third is acting headman. So 3 authorities are running the
No,
village.
Your Lordship.
Then
So far, the Surki Nong Shnong ever since.
it's disbanded.
Yes, Your Lordship. Of the upon closure of the receipt of the impune order, Your Lordship, it was dissolved.
My lord, in fact,
that, Your Lordship.
Yes.
My lord, as per page 40, if your lordship will see, they have sought for confirmation of the village committee
Yes,
also.
right.
So where the existence of this executive committee is also not there. What I would suggest, my lord, is that let them approach the Lingdo on the basis of this so-called
That
resolution.
will be highly aggrieved.
And let the Lingdo decide. If they agree, they'll come to the executive committee.
No, that's the roundabout, no, because it'll be rejected for sure. If the Lingdo is already represented by one council, both Lingdo and acting headman, so then you can draw your own conclusion that, why go for, empty formality?
Because I think, my lord, if I'm not mistaken, the term of the headman also is 3 years. Now it's already over. It would appear from page 40 that they have again convened a Durbar and chosen
Right.
maybe
But
the
where's
right.
the person who's aggrieved?
Yes. That was
Yes, Your Lordship. That, Your Lordship, that comes during pendency of.
No,
the entire
doesn't come.
proceeding
Where's the
when
person?
we
He
were
should
allowed.
be here before the court saying that I was wrongly removed, and I've got the approval of your committee, and I've got the Sur Nong Shong Shnong behind me. So I should be the headman. Not other way around, that the people come forward, electorate comes forward and said that this is a candidate, you should elect him.
But, Your Lordship,
That way.
But Lordship, the entire controversy changed during pendency of which.
Otherwise, we're not entertaining writ petition on locus. Mr. Asrar Lingdo prays for and allowed 1 week's time to obtain SC instructions. We'll just leave it at that. But you understand where the mind of the court is.
Yes, Lord.
Yes.
Much obliged. Much obliged.
Item number 2.
Your Lordship, I appeal for respondent number 12.
Number 10.
12, Your Lordship. NBCC.
Where was Young Reso?
Your Lordship.
What's it for today?
Your Lordship, item number 2, pleadings are completed. Item number 2.
Number 2. No. They are connected matters with this one.
Yes, sir.
Same thing again.
2, 3, 4, Your Lordship.
Who was supposed to file affidavits?
Item number 4, that's a 2024 matter. My affidavit is still outstanding. I'll require.
What about Mr. Nongpur?
Item number 3, Your Lordship.
Oh, yes.
Item number 3, I'm appearing for respondent number 4 to 8, Your Lordship. I'm here to file my reply.
Right, okay. Item 4, you haven't filed affidavits. That's their case.
Your Lordship.
They have 2 cases.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You have 1. One is by you.
One is by me, item 3.
Or take down item 2.
Item 1,
no
I am
orders
there.
necessary. Huh?
In item 1, I am there. Others, I am not there.
Item 1 got over just now.
Not this. Not that. This is 493.
Item 2. Yes.
This WCN of 496.
Okay, fine. In 496, it is submitted by the council. This 496, item 2. That the pleadings are complete. Stop. Mantan, the next item. I have WBC number. Item 3 is WBC number.
Item number 3, I'm appearing for respondent number 4 to 8, Your Lordship.
Number.
416.
Yes. In WBC 416, how many? Stop. Who else has to file affidavits? Mr. Paske?
I have not been arrayed as a party here.
You have filed.
Union is not a party.
So only you have to file affidavit.
Your Lordship.
416 MSP Biscona prays for is allowed further 2 weeks' time to file affidavit on behalf of respondents number
4 to 8, Your Lordship.
4 to 8. Stop. And item number 4, you have to file affidavit. Yes, in item number 4, that's the WPC number
150.
15024.
15024. Mr. S. Sen on behalf of respondents number
125.
125 and ML Nongpu on behalf of for 6. You already filed. We won't record anymore. Something for 6 prays for allowed for the 2 weeks' time to file affidavit. List all these matters together after 2 weeks. Yes.
Much obliged.
Deeply obliged, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Item number 5.
Record Mr. Paski and item number 3. Yes.
May I please, Your Honor? My Lord, I am very sorry to state that actually I have today come before this honorable court with the old wakalatnama. Actually, months ago I had bought this wakalatnama. This has been provided to me. Today when I have gone to the filing section, this is now
You are
no
appealing
more.
for whom?
I am for the sole respondent. So I humbly pray that in the next day I'll file.
Dubey is here in the case also?
Yes, my Lord.
You have with Mr. Dubey?
Yes, sir.
There's a delay of 25th days.
Yes, I'll file objection along with the wakalatnama. 2 weeks time may be given. I Borwa.
Mr. R. Dubey with Mr. R. Borwa pray for now 2 weeks time to file objections to the condition application. Stop. As prayed, therefore allowed to file the power in the course of the day. Yes. You file a power first, then you file objection later on. Objections ready?
No, not ready till.
And file your power today. Power means your wakalat.
Yeah, on the next date, can I file?
Why? It's not been signed.
No, it's signed. Actually, the respondent is from Guwahati. So she needs to be signed. So
you have a signed wakalat with you.
This is a signed.
Apparently, the registry did not accept this wakalatnama for some reason.
But the registry is not accepting it, Mullah. That's the.
Right. No, as prayed, and before that. With conditional objection, as prayed, they also permit to file a fresh wakalatama on the next
On
day.
that next day, I'll file an objection along with the wakalatama.
Just accordingly.
Very much obliged. Very much obliged.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, there's a delay of 27 days, my lord.
1 second, huh?
Lordship, there's a delay of 27 days, my lord, for filing this civil revision, my lord. The
Your
delay, my
Lordship,
lord,
I'll take some time to file my objection.
they have filed it, my lord. They just provided
During
me
the
with
course of the day, I think.
So the
course of the day, Lordship.
I don't understand who submitted the 3 counsels. What? Who wants to say what?
no, because I'm the petitioner
yes,
in this
okay,
case, my
yes.
lord. So they are interfering in my submission, my lord.
Yes.
So there's a delay of 27 days, my lord, for filing of this revision petition. The delay, the reason for the delay is, my lord, we have been pursuing the matter before the wrong forum, my lord, before the appellate authority.
Where's the objection, Mr. Lasangloya?
We'll be filing the course of the day, Lordship.
No, you need an objection in 27 days.
And we're taking the aid of section 14 of the Limitation Act, my lord.
Mr. Paske, will you condone the delay?
Your Lord, yes, Your Lordship. I'll go down to the
Where's the miss case? Miss case number 12 to 24 in civil 2024, but the number. So it's an application for vulneration of delay of 27 days in approaching this court by way of the instant civil revision application. So, the reasons for the delay as submitted by the counsel, Mr. Each movement are contained in paragraph 2 and paragraph 2 of the said petition. And the main reason he further submits is that applicants are pursuing the matter before the
District Council.
Judge Council, which is not the correct forum. Next paragraph. Though objections have been raised by learned counsels for the opposite party, considering the reasons as set out in the condition application, sufficient cause has been made out and the delay is condoned. Registry to diarize the civil revision and list the same for admission.
There's a miscase, my lord, so there's a matter of urgency since the Judge District Council, they are pursuing with the matter despite knowing that the matter, my lord.
First, as we condone, that be listed. Yes.
7.
Highly obliged.
Deeply obliged, Your Lord.
In this matter, the pleadings are exchanged, my lord. If I may post it for hearing after.
My lord, there are some issues. In fact, we filed an affidavit, my lord, but it appears that the affidavit is not by one of the contemnors. What happened, my lord, the respondent number 4 is already retired from service. And someone else has come, has been appointed as Deputy Secretary in his place, my lord. So we filed as Under Secretary, in fact, my lord, Ministry of Commerce, Under Secretary, Department of Promotion of Industry. And this is the objection they have taken, that the affidavit is filed by, not by the one of the contemnors. So, my lord, I am praying for leave of the Honorable Court to file a proper affidavit. Of course, the content will be same, only the deponent will be different.
At the bar, that due to oversight, yes, the correct respondent had not filed the affidavit. So, he prays for is allowed to rectify the same by additional affidavit to be filed within 2 weeks. Yes. Yes, accordingly.
Item number 8.
We filed affidavit for rejoinder.
My lord, I'm praying for 2 weeks' time to file my rejoinder, my lord.
Okay, as prayed by the counsel petitioner, 2 weeks' time allowed for a rejoinder. This is after soon.
Same number 9. Next item was same order.
Obliged.
10.
Your Lordship, in this matter, we need another 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship, to file our rejoinder.
How many times you've taken?
This is the 3rd time, Your Lordship.
3rd time?
Yes, Lordship.
Put it for hearing, file rejoinder meanwhile. Yes, Mr. You are Mr.
F. Rotme.
F. Rotme, right? Praise for and is allowed 2 weeks.
2 weeks' time,
2
Lordship.
weeks' time, last chance to file rejoinder. Matter will be listed for hearing in the meanwhile.
I do oblige, Lordship.
11.
This after 2 weeks, yeah.
For respondent number 4, my lord, I'm praying for a week's time, my lord, to file my reply.
You already paid last time.
Well, I just entered appearance last
On
time.
3rd of October.
Well, just 1 week, my lord. I'm having some difficulty in filing the affidavit. Just a
Very
week's time.
successful bidder, you want to delay the matter?
No, my lord, no, that's not the. My lord, in fact, they also want to file a rejoinder, my lord. They have not filed the rejoinder.
Your
The
Lordship,
urgency should be on the part of the petitioner.
after respondent 4 file the counter, will file a joint rejoinder.
What is about supply of what?
Supply of X-ray machine to Nikram sir.
I'll be giving you a week's
Mr.
time.
KCH Gautam, on behalf of respondent for praise funds allowed for the 1 week's time.
1 week, my lord.
Wanted to file affidavit stuff. The petitioner is thereafter on receipt of the same is allowed 1 week's time to file the rejoinder. This is the matter thereafter. This after 3 weeks.
Highly obliged.
Yes.
12.
For the orders.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, in this matter, kindly grant us a week's time, Your Lordship, to obtain instruction, Your Lordship.
Lordship, even on the last occasion, they had asked for time, my
Yes,
lord.
Lord.
We will dispose of.
No, Your Lordship, kindly grant us a week's time, Your Lordship.
No case been made out.
Because we have tried to contact the petitioner, Your Lordship.
You not pick up your phone.
No, his number is not working, Your Lordship, so kindly grant us a week's time, Your Lordship.
Not a detailed case report has been filed, my lord. In appears there's no case, my lord.
Yes, Your Lordship, without the
So we
petitioner
dispose of
instruction.
on the basis of the report file.
No,
on
Your
behalf
Lordship,
of the
kindly grant us a week's
This
time, Your
will be the
Lordship.
third time, my
I
lord,
humbly pray,
for
Your
them.
Lordship.
Then you pay cost of 5,000 to keep the matter alive.
Please, Your Lordship, kindly a week's time, Your Lordship.
Otherwise, these matters are just, they are just nothing.
Allegations against
and if the matters being kept alive in such cases, just to to have like a sort of a sword pointing at the respondent because he's the elected representative. See, there's a case pending in High Court against him. Take down. Though a report has been filed by the state respondents as far back as on 20th September 2024, the petitioner has today again sought for time to obtain instruction stop. In the interest of justice, for the 1 week's time granted.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes, accordingly on so and so. If no instructions are forthcoming next day, the matter shall be disposed of.
Highly obliged.
I hope he picks up your phone. Yes, otherwise. One to 6 and 9.
My lord, I am appearing for the state, my lord. My lord, we require some time, my lord, to file affidavit.
What's the matter about?
This is a family pension, Your Lordship. Pension.
Family pension is taking so
My lord,
long.
here, my lord, they have admitted in their petition itself, my lord, some retirement benefit have already been released.
Fine.
Now, whether she is entitled for that pensionary benefits or not, that has to be looked into, my lord.
Why are you taking so much time? When was it filed? 6th of September.
Yes.
We'll grant you 2 weeks time.
My lord.
What about 7 and 8?
By next day it will be on board.
Mr. N. Simkon for 1, 6 and 9, Mr. Armoplang for 7, 8, pray for the 2 weeks time for affidavit. Yes.
Obliged.
14.
May it please, Your Lordship, we've
Where's
received.
the affidavit?
We're still working on the affidavit, my lord. I pray for some more time.
Yes.
No objection.
Any urgency in the matter?
No.
Okay, further 2 weeks time as prayed. Allowed to respond to the affidavit. This is thereafter. And so on. So yes.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Your Lordship, I'm praying for time on behalf of respondents 1, 2, and 3 to file an affidavit.
Your Lordship, with respect to this respondent 4 to 7, Your Lordship, the service report has been affected, Your Lordship.
They've been served?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Then you file a status?
Your Lordship.
Mr. B. Snaitang submits that the response for 4 to 7 has since been served. He prays for the allowed to file as affidavit indicating service on the set response stop. The MS that now can see for respond to 3 prays for is allowed 2 weeks time further and file affidavit list after 2 weeks.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
16.
Orders, yes. Where's the rejoinder?
Lordship, they have not filed their counter affidavit.
They have not filed counter affidavit?
No, no, Your Lordship, they have not yet filed.
Sure?
Yes, Lordship.
Yes. Then what officer is this? What file affidavit the rejoinder and file on? What about that, Vinny?
In fact, by same name, there are two cases. For me also, there was confusion on the last date. Same
lawyer?
Yes, yes, same lawyer.
There's not a person, Sami Chandrakar?
Yes.
Same person with
Two
two names?
cases.
Or
same person, I think.
Same person, two cases.
two cases?
Yes, so they have filed counter affidavit in another case, not in this case. But
Is it today?
No, no, no.
That is why you mistaken. Yes, sir. Further 2-3 weeks time is period allowed for affidavit by respondent.
Okay.
17.
But I'm entering a page for respondent number 4. I'm praying for some time. 2 weeks time. I'll file affidavit.
2, 3.
Your Lordship, 3 also it's delivered, Your
3
Lordship.
years? 3 is whom? 3 is GHV India. What's this?
It's already delivered, Your Lordship, for respondent 3.
What's the matter about?
This is a tender for supply of a pumping system. They are L3, my lord, and they've come to challenge. We are L1. And the other one is L2, my lord.
You are paying for L2?
State is 1 and 2. 1 and 2 both state.
1 and 2.
No adherence of NSB principles of reasonableness.
Your Lordship.
Now all the tender committees should be, made aware of what are NSB principles of reasonableness when deciding tenders. Yes. Mr. Dr. M. Bozika, learned senior counsel with so-and-so, and that MSK Guru has an appearance duty on behalf of respondent number 4. Number 3 has been served, we say.
Your Lordship. Lordship will file service.
Yes. It has go today. And you want to file affidavit and praise for
2 weeks time.
2 weeks time. What about 1 and 2? No affidavit. Mr. N. Senkon for 1 and 2 has a similar praise top. With regard to next paragraph, with regard to respondent number 3, MSB of Kharwanlang submits that praise is made out to file by affidavit indicating service of notice upon the same. Only this is a matter of 2 weeks for affidavits.
And obliged.
And for the orders, yes.
18.
Please, Your Lordship, I'm entering appearance on behalf of respondent number 9. Lordship, the last date what has happened is we missed out when this matter came up for motion. So 2 weeks time may be granted to me also.
Pension matter?
No, Your Lordship, this is pertaining to pay scales as per the AICTE norms, Your Lordship.
Who's to file affidavit? 1, 5 and 8?
I've taken...
You will file affidavit also?
Yes, Your Lordship.
I've taken steps, Your Lordship, on behalf of respondent number 6 and 7, but I've missed out performer defendant, respondent number 11.
Missed out who?
Respondent number 11,
You have
Your
not
Lordship.
taken steps upon 11, 11, 10, 11.
Only on 11. 10 we have served a copy, Your Lordship.
10 you served copy?
Yes, Your Lordship.
10 is whom?
Union, Your Lordship.
Okay, you are 10. Who's 11?
11 is AICT. AICTE.
AICTE.
Yes.
Have you taken steps on them?
No, Your Lordship. I have
Why?
missed out performer.
Inadvertence, yes.
I may be allowed to take fresh steps.
Yes, Mr. E.R. Khan, LRGA, on behalf of sponsor 1, 2, 5 and 8, And Mr. Arboplang, on behalf of respondent number 9, prays for and allowed 2 weeks time to file affidavit. So Mr. Ardhatnath present on behalf of respondent number 10 submits that the said respondents of formal party as such, no affidavit will be necessary. So with regard to respondent number 11, MS Sharam submits that due to inadvertence, steps were not taken. She prays for the allowed 3 days time to take steps on the said respondent. Just after 2 weeks for further orders.
Deeply obliged.
For affidavit, not for further orders. Yes.
19.
It's for affidavit. Bring some more time.
Yeah, Mr. Hongre? No.
No, C. Rai.
Yes, further 3 weeks time was prayed allowed for affidavit.
20 also. Right? Same process.
Yes.
21.
This is also connected. Right? 21.
Hearing. Twenty-seven.
Wait, please, Your Lordships. Your Lordships, if I may give a brief recap of the matter. Your Lordships, Your Lordships, in the previous occasion, Your Lordship put forth, put a question before me as to whether this is as to whether the sister had taken out any other benefits in regards to the services against the late Raju Dom. Your Lordships, after receiving instructions, we have found out that the sister has only received the GPF. Other pensionary benefits against the services of late Raju Dom have not been drawn up. Your Lordship, in this matter, my limited prayer is that the respondents release me the details of the
outstanding dues
of the outstanding dues against the services. Now, Your Lordship, their main contention is that I am not entitled to these benefits because my name does not appear on the kindred roll. But Your Lordship, if I may, if you look at their affidavit in opposition, at page number.
One second.
Sorry, Your Lordship.
I've forgotten everything. These matters are so similar. Let's see what's the case about.
Your Lordship, should I give a brief rundown?
Just read synopsis. So you're the wife of the deceased employee?
I am the wife of the deceased employee.
Okay. Yes.
Your Lordship, their main contention is that I am not entitled to these details because my name does not appear in the kindred roll. Your Lordship, the kindred roll is at Annexure 1, page number 8 of their affidavit in opposition. Your Lordship, if I may, if you look at the date, Your Lordship, it says here that this kindred roll is dated the 26th of May, 1987. Now, Your Lordship, if you would come to my petition.
The kindred roll, 1 second.
Your Lordship, page number 8.
Slow down.
Sorry, Your Lordship.
Yes. Page 8.
Page 8, Your Lordship.
Okay. Antara Dam sister.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Which date you said?
The 26th of May, 1987.
26/59. Okay. Now
Your Lordship,
coming to your petition.
if you come to my petition, Your Lordship, at page 3, paragraph 3.
Page 3, paragraph 3.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Your Lordship, the marriage between the deceased and myself took place on the date of the 14th of March, 1996.
Why didn't your husband enter your name in the roll?
Your Lordship, he was illiterate. They're both illiterate. They're not aware, Your Lordship, of the technicalities that happens in the
How
office.
was the name? How did the sister's name appear in the first instance?
Your Lordship, I presume that this was entered at the time when he had joined the services. Then after that, he had not made any updation.
Right. Where's the marriage certificate?
Your Lordship, that is at page, that is annexure 2, page number.
The marriage certificate.
There's no marriage certificate, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, so what happened was, when they had gotten married, their marriage was recognized as per their customary rights, and it was recognized by the community elders. Your Lordship, that's why at annexure 1, if you look at the type copy at page 10A, you will see it says here, it is issued by the Happy Valley Gorkha Public Panchayat. Your Lordship, if I may read, this is to certify that Shri so-and-so, son of late so-and-so, resident of so-and-so, has married the Srimati so-and-so, daughter of so-and-so, to Hindu rites on the 14th of March 1996 at Happy Valley. The elders of both the couple and this panchayat is witness to their marriage. Your Lordship, at annexure 2, it is the family identity card, wherein the petitioner is listed as...
Where's the wife? Where's the written? Wife of... where's the husband's name?
Lordship.
And here instead of Dom is written Doom.
Your Lordship, at the next page, Your Lordship, page 12. See, Your Lordship, at serial number 2, Raju Dom, he is listed as husband.
Kumari Doom, Raju Doom.
Yes, sir.
This is Kumari Doom, 50 years old.
Your Lordship, at that time.
Husband number 2.
At number the
Raju
serial.
Dom is the husband.
Raju Dom is the husband who has passed away, Your Lordship.
Okay, this is annexure 2. This is ration card.
Ration card, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Now, Your Lordship, it is not a dispute that I am not the wife of the
No
deceased.
other challenger, or except the sister.
Except for the sister who has passed away, Your Lordship. My main...
Passed away.
She's passed away, Your Lordship.
When she passed away?
Your Lordship, I have not been made aware of the date, Your Lordship, because considering after the last rites of my husband were performed, I have not kept in contact with my in-laws. So, Your Lordship, I am not aware.
So why do you file the maintenance in 2003?
In 2003, Your Lordship, yes.
Why?
Your Lordship, the reason why I had filed this maintenance petition is because, Your Lordship, at that time, my husband had acquired a concubine. Then, Your Lordship, he had left his matrimonial home and had gone to stay with her. Now, Your Lordship, being illiterate and unemployed at that time, I had no other option, Your Lordship, but to file for maintenance.
Okay.
Your Lordship.
That's it.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Devnath.
Your Lordship, first of all, here, Your Lordship, this Rajudam in service record, no record is there that she is the wife of the.
But she said that because that the kindred rules 87, married in 96. How that time we didn't even know. He didn't even know him.
No record is given to the office, so the department is having any knowledge that any marriage.
But Your Lordship, this.
You are having the first wife and then.
But Your Lordship, this. No, Your Lordship, this claim would be incorrect, Your Lordship. Because, Your Lordship, while we had filed for maintenance, their office had been directed to give us a maintenance of 1,000 rupees per month. Your Lordship, if you would look at the order.
Yes. Annexure?
Annexure 4.
Yes. Who was there on behalf of the Assam Rifles?
See, Your Lordship, it has been, the copy too has been sent also to the drawal disbursing officer. Now, Your Lordship, it cannot be claimed that they had that they were not aware that we were married.
Okay.
Your Lordship.
Anything else?
Your Lordship, yes. Page number 13, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Page number 13.
Yes.
The last, the bottom, serial number 2.
Yes.
C. Rajudam, son of late Jaguru, resident of Assam Bazaar, Happybili, Shillong, is given the address.
Yes.
And if it is given this, and then there is no record, you will see maintenance is given from the office of the respondent. No record is there, you will see, or any maintenance is
Number
given.
1, see, but what about this order, Nasha 4, see? Order dated 29/9/2004. 2004?
2004, Your Lordship.
Yes. Issued on 1st September. First, number 1, trial supposing officers on rifles.
So you will see, if it is in Assam Rifle, but there is a station command.
Doesn't matter. Whatever the official authority, you give her let her go for succession if she gets or not. Then you would take it from there if you dispute it. Yes, heard MS.
You will see in this annexure 4, it apparently that she was claiming this maintenance.
Yes.
The person who is serving in the Assam Rifle, not in.
Where is he serving? Assam Rifle.
And then, moreover, you will see if this maintenance is given, whether from the department is given.
Yes. Have you refuted that affidavit?
So
what did the affidavit say? Let's see.
See,
yes, let's see affidavit. Yes.
Paragraph 13, you will see.
1 second. Paragraph 7, you said that, okay.
And this,
1 second.
you will see paragraph 14 also there. This is the statement in paragraph 14 are denied. And you will ask me to state that the petitioner not the legal heirs of the deceased as claimed, we have taken. And then paragraph 16. Let's see. Answer state that the petitioner is the simply Rajudam did not submit any marriage certificate, nor did the petitioner submit any documents in support of the her marriage with the deceased. On scrutiny of the service documents petitioner as well as the deceased, it is found that no entries were made in the service book for the Rajudam and the petitioner who was employed.
Where reading from?
So you will see paragraph 16, page 6.
16?
Yes.
16 of your affidavit?
Yes, you will see.
The petitioner of his malafiliation did not submit any marriage certificate, was submitted on trial. Okay, fine. Yes.
So you will see in this, it is clearly established. This petitioner
herself. Asking for a due.
No, you will see in the petitioner herself was working in the station cell. And
she's working station cell herself?
No.
Yes. Yes, you will see in the paragraph 16.
Your Lordship, we had gone there after we were made aware that the sister had taken the death certificate and she had taken out the GPF.
The service documents of the petitioner as well as the disease. This most immediate, paragraph 16. On scrutiny of the service documents of petitioner as well as the deceased. So this petitioner also serving the station cell.
Where is it reading? I don't understand. Where are you reading from?
You will see paragraph 16, page 6, in my affidavit. Page 6, paragraph 16, you will see.
Yes, what is it? On scrutiny of service?
You will see, I just read. As regards statement made in paragraph 17, your answer in response state that the petition of the petitioner is next to Malafadi. Late Rajudam did not submit any marriage certificate, nor did the petitioner submit any documents in respect of her marriage with the deceased. On scrutiny of the service document, on scrutiny of the service document of the petitioner as well as deceased, it is found that no entries were made in the service books of the body.
Take out her records. Where are the records? Her records. We fixed on her date. You bring her records of service of this lady. Where is it? You annexed it?
This one, this page number 22, you will see.
You annex her service record?
Service card.
No, Your Lordship, this is the...
Bring it, we'll see, yes. Maybe just an acquaintance of this Raju Dom in the office and she's claiming maintenance.
So, as per this paragraph, you will see.
Okay, service card, this is Raju Dom only. 22 is not this. You ask your client.
Your Lordship.
You don't even know where she serves.
Your Lordship, as of right now, Your Lordship, she's not employed.
You don't know where she serves. But why do you meet an affidavit? If this is wrong, then they... See, is for no entry to meet the service books of both late Raju Dom and the petitioner who were employees of station headquarters on the area. You don't ask some rifles.
Yes, Your Lordship. I'm
Station
not.
commander.
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, let me ask for instructions because Your Lordship, when I had asked her, Your Lordship, she's not employed anymore. As
Not
of
employed
right
anymore. Did she ever work in this
now. Your Lordship, let me
establishment or not?
clarify.
Otherwise, if that, then she's guilty of missuppression also. How is it possible? If she has her own service record, she has not disclosed who her husband is. And getting a certificate from Panchayat is very easy. Yes, after hearing some length, MS P. Mauri, please send me down to obtain further instruction as to whether the petitioner was employed in station cell headquarters, right?
Station cell.
Headquarters 101 area, together with her late husband as alleged. Yes. Just after 1 week. 1 week you get instructions. Otherwise, if you don't work in the same office, maybe, but then working in the same office sometimes, you just by
30.
whatever.
Right.
Maybe there's no marriage at all. Any children?
No, Your Lordship.
Hmm.
With with my Rajudam, there's no issue.
Yeah, please, Your Lordship. This is with regard to the issue of headmaster, my lord.
Are connecting matters this one?
No, my lord.
Okay.
This is separate school. That one is Abdul Sattar. It's a separate school, my lord. Although it's from Garo Hills, my lord. My lord, I've challenged the order, my lord, whereby I was removed and the private respondent was appointed. My first limb of argument is, my lord, the impugn order was passed by the SDSEO Dadengri. He has no power. He has no jurisdiction to pass. The power lies with the managing committee. The managing committee has to decide who will be the head teacher. Appointing and removal power lies with the managing committee. State is only merely the approval authority, giving approval, my lord.
Yes.
That's the first limb of argument, my lord. Second is, my lord, the managing committee was formed wherein I was the ex officio, my lord, petitioner. Thereafter, after expiry of the meeting on 20...
Headmaster gets extra salary?
No, my lord.
Then?
Because salary was in the form of grantinate, my lord. Only the managing the affairs of the school, my lord. That on the post, my lord, and nothing else. The same salary. Because salary will distribute among themselves between the teachers, my lord.
Hmm. What have you done that they removed you?
Yes, my lord.
What are the charges against you?
My lord, no charges, my lord.
Then?
My lord, the SDSU has removed, my lord, me. They provide the impugn order.
Why should he remove you?
My lord, they have conducted an inquiry.
Like your face.
My lord.
Can't be that. Then?
My lord, yes, my lord. They have conducted an inquiry on the basis of the inquiry report.
What inquiry?
My lord, that I am not part of it, my lord. They have not disclosed the inquiry report, my lord.
Okay. Now, simple case is this, if I understand correctly.
Yes, my lord.
You were headmaster
Yes,
by
my lord.
resolution of the managing committee.
No,
from the
my lord, let me clarify the issue, my lord. The headmaster was retired, the previous headmaster. After that, I was given in charge, my lord.
Okay.
In charge by the SDSU himself. Thereafter, as per the school record, my lord, I am the senior most after retiring of the previous headmaster. I am the senior most. And remaining all other teachers except the private respondent, they have issued a no objection certificate to the petitioner to be an headmaster of the school. Thereafter,
no certificate.
my lord, the other teachers, my lord, they have no objection to the same, my lord,
Right.
being petitioner, being the headmaster. Thereafter, BMC Shalshala has recommended the SDSEO, Tadengri.
Who's BMC?
My lord, BMC, my lord.
What's BMC?
BMC is Block Mission
Coordinator.
Block Mission Coordinator. Yes, my lord. Block Mission Coordinator. So Block Mission Coordinator Shalshala has recommended the SDSEO to appoint the petitioner as headmaster, being the senior most teacher of the school, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, I was given in charge. There is no formal order, but the order was issued to operate the bank. My lord, thereafter managing committee.
There's no formal order of appointment as in charge.
Yes, my lord. There is no formal order like the impugn order herein, my lord.
Yes.
Then managing committee was formed. In that managing committee, I was the
As the headman.
Yes, my lord.
Or the headman, sorry, headmaster.
Headmaster, ex officio. Ex officio meaning thereby is the headmaster, my lord. The managing committee has expired on February 2024. Thereafter, being the ex officio, it's my responsibility.
Convene a new resolution.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. To conduct the parent guardian meeting under the rules and regulations. I have conducted. Thereafter, I filed a representation forwarding before the SDSU to approve the same. And in the said resolution, my lord, said general meeting, parent guardian meeting, the parent guardian meeting had held that the petition.
The fittest person to be headmaster.
Yes, my lord. The petitioner will be the headmaster, my lord. That is the issue, my lord.
When was the parent, when was the meeting held, and when was the resolution taken?
Yes, my lord. On 3rd February 2022, my lord.
That was the time became headmaster first time.
Yes, my
Full
lord.
headmaster.
Yes, my lord. Now the
And
my
when
lord
was the impugn order issued?
issued on on my lord 19 June 2023, my lord.
623 removed.
2023, my lord. This order was passed without jurisdiction, without having any power, my lord.
Now you only let's see the order then.
Yes, my lord. Impugn order, my lord. At page 28, annexure 9, my lord.
Yes.
May I read, my lord?
Yes.
In pursuant to the recommendation of the school managing committee, White resolution number so and so, dated 6/1/2023, and based on the inquiry report recommendation of the block mission coordinator SSA Salsala BRC's White so and so number so and so, dated 2nd May 2023, Shri Hypothali is hereby removed from the ex officio member convener of the Nalbari Janata GA UP school until further order, and Shri Abdul Mojid BA died assistant teacher of the Nalbari so-and-so school is hereby provisionally approved to act as the in-charge headmaster with immediate effect. Subsequently, he is also inducted as the ex officio member convener in the SMC of the school, vice Shri Hypothali, the petitioner. That is the impugn.
Now you see that SDSEO,
yes, my lord.
without any complaint, has no power to remove you.
Yes, my lord.
Where's the inquiry? What inquiry was it?
My lord.
I have.
No, let him finish. Let him finish.
Yes, my lord. My lord,
What inquiry?
My lord, inquiry I have
What
never.
inquiry? What were the charges against you?
My lord, I am not aware of it, my lord. No inquiry report was given to me. Neither was issued notice to me. These are maybe the internal inquiry done by the state respondent, my lord. They have never informed me, my lord, about the so-called inquiry they have mentioned in the impugn order, my lord. Whatever inquiry be there, they could have at least issued notice
Where
to
is the
me.
inquiry report?
Well, I have no, my lord. But only state respondent.
May I please, your lordship, before I start with the case, your lordship, Mr. Petitioner has participated in the inquiry. His name is there, very much there. He was very much present in the inquiry. Yes. It is enclosed with the affidavit.
Yes, my lord. In
Page
the school.
16, your lordship.
Wait. You sit down.
Yes, ma'am.
Sit down.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. That's one number
Your
6.
lordship, annexure 2, page 14. Yes.
Why still respondents?
Yes, your lordship.
Number 4.
Yes, your lordship. Affidavit filed by the respondent number 4, and this annexure is at page 14, annexure 2.
Page 14, issue 2. Yes.
2.
What's the spot inquiry about?
It is next page is the inquiry report, your lordship.
Is
Page
what,
15.
What? Why?
Report on spot inquiry of Nalbari Janata.
Conducted so.
Yes. And last page, your lordship, kindly have a look. That he also participated, handwritten copy, page 16, number 3, Mr. Hypothali. He put his signature also, and next page is the type copy. He himself participated in the inquiry also, your lordship. Member present, page 17, number 3. So how petitioner is not aware of the inquiries, your lordship? Because at the very beginning...
I'll just clarify that issue.
Yeah, we refuted this number.
No.
3, Hypothali, your lordship. Yes, your lordship.
My lord, they have come to the school. I being the convener, I being the ex officio, I was there, my lord. But there is no such notice, no such nothing, my lord. They have just come and they have taken the signatures because they have visited the school. But thereafter they have conducted inquiry. I could be at least issued notice. At least the inquiry report should be given to me, my lord. What charges against me?
Look at the third paragraph of this report.
Yes, my lord.
During a spot inquiry,
yes, my lord.
Yes,
we
your
have
lordship.
interacted separately with the chairperson, so-and-so, other members at SMC, 4 assistant teachers at school, and headmaster in charge, Mr. Hepat Ali. After interacting separately, the members so-and-so and in charge master found Mr. Hepat Ali, who is the in charge master, is incompetent and not take interest in field work, especially the field of uploading. He seems careless, irregular, and irresponsible, and because enrollment in school from last year is almost nil. Whoever takes admission will either drop out or took admission. This is a totally motivated report. How can you condemn him this way?
Your lordship, complete sentence
It's
is
found
there.
only the matriculate and he has given temporary charge after him so, but never approved headmaster because of authority. But as it is, he's full headmaster, correct?
No, your lordship, there is no approval from the government because though
He's
aided
just in charge only.
it is only for
officiating appointment.
Your lordship, it
Yes.
is. Let me finish. Just a minute. Your lordship, it is he was given power to operate the bank. Since there was no full-fledged headmaster, he was given power to operate the bank account. Your lordship, for smooth running of the school. Your lordship.
Yes, my lord. Correct, my lord. I was never been appointed as a full-fledged headmaster.
And taking
That is
strength
correct.
of this
Then you
evidence.
have no right.
Yes, your
My
lordship.
lord, only.
Yes, even the orders in charge. So what is there?
My lord, my lord, the state respondent cannot appoint the private respondent. Its power lies with the managing committee, my lord.
No, but approval lies with this.
No, approval only.
Approval
Only
is the main
approval.
thing.
Don't argue with each other. You
Yes,
argue
on-
before the
on-
court.
only approval.
What this court is saying now
Yes, my lord.
is this. Where's the appointment of Mr. Sheikh's client?
Yes, my lord. The impugn order, my lord. That is the impugn order, my
No,
lord.
it says that, Abdul Muzid.
Yes, my lord. Abdul Muzid.
He's not, he's in charge only.
Yes, my lord.
There's nothing.
There is no permanent headmaster, my lord. My
You
lord,
have no case.
only prayer, my lord. Limited prayer, my lord. Direction may be given to the private, my lord, state respondent to approve the managing committee, which is pending resolution, my
That's
lord.
not here, and this is not a part of a prayer.
My lord, yes, my lord. My lord, to set aside and decide, and SMC may be decide, my lord.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
By the order date, your lordship, 23rd May 2024, your lordship was pleased to pass an order directing the SDACO to take the affairs of the managing committee, as the managing committee term of the managing committee already expired, your lordship.
Let the sponsoring body sit and think.
My lord,
23?
after
23rd May 2024, this year, your lordship.
Yes.
My lord, after passing this order, SDSU has issued order, my lord, compliance with the order of this honorable court, my lord. The
Yes.
petitioner, since they have removed, petitioner was again appointed
Right,
as
right,
in charge,
part
my
orders,
lord.
yes, take down.
My lord.
For a moment, only 1 minute. Can I submit?
We're not touching you also.
Yes, Lordship.
Then
Lordship, kindly cease order of appointment. This is just.
we forget about it. We've seen it. Yes.
My lord, since
I think, yes.
there's no managing committee, my lord, is pending.
Fine, we'll look after that also.
Yes, my lord.
My one was on the recommendation of the managing committee. Managing committee, after the full.
My lord, there is a dispute, my lord. That is what dispute. The SDSU has to take a call, my lord.
Yes.
To
the petitioner-
fresh the matter, my lord.
The petitioner being aggrieved with his removal as in charge headmaster of what is the school?
Nalbari
Of Nalbari
Janata GA UP school. my lord.
Nalbari Janata G capital stroke A capital UP school.
Yes, ma'am.
Dadangre.
No, under West Garo Hills, Dadangri, my lord.
West Garo Hills, Dadangre.
Yes, my lord, Dadangri.
Yes, is before this court assailing the same. Stop. Next paragraph. Assailing the same on the grounds that the same on the ground that the removal is without an authority and without due process of law being followed. So, next paragraph. Mr. S.K. Hassan, the counsel petitioner, submits that by resolution number 2 dated by resolution dated 3/2/2022, the petitioner was given charge, in 22 given charge, correct?
My lord, yes.
My
Given
lord,
charge.
comment, can I little one interruption? But
Yes.
there was no managing committee, Lordship. That was the resolution with regard to
My
the
lord.
managing committee.
My lord, yes, my
If
lord.
there was no managing committee, how can the managing committee take
No,
a
that's a
decision?
submission.
Oh, Lordship, yeah. This,
I'm not going to brief facts of case. That's a submission, no? Was given charge, was made the in charge headmaster of the school. Stop under discharging his duties as such. However, he submits on a purported inquiry which is conducted by the office of the respondent number.
My lord.
Number 4, correct?
Number 4, yes, my lord.
Number 4. And on the findings therein,
Number 4, yes,
the writ petitioner was removed as in charge headmaster and the respondent number 7
my lord, yes.
appointed in his place. It is further submitted that the entire manner in which the impugned order was passed without affording adequate opportunity to the writ petitioner is illegal and liable to be interfered with by this court. Any this goes to court. Mr. SK, the counsel petitioner has also further submitted that presently there is no managing committee in the school, and it be in interest of the school that the reconstitution be completed at the earliest
yes.
by the respondent number 4, and approved by the respondent number 4.
Yes,
Next paragraph. MS Elbarachaji, London GA, on behalf of the respondents numbers 1 to 4, 1 to 5.
1 to 5, my lord.
Has at the outset submitted that it is not a fact that the petitioner was not given opportunity or heard when the inquiry had been conducted in the said school. To substantiate her argument, the learned counsel has drawn the attention of this court to the affidavit filed on behalf of the state respondents, where at annexure 2 thereof, a report of a spot inquiry conducted by the respondent number 5 has been annexed, wherein which shows that the writ petitioner was present at the venue on the day of the said inquiry and had also appended his signature to the attendance sheet. She therefore submits that the very fact that he had been, that the inquiry, that he was part of the inquiry, cannot be disputed. Stop. It's further submitted that there's never been any substantive appointment of the writ petitioner as headmaster, and the arrangement was only, and he was only serving as in charge on the expiry of the early headmaster.
Yes.
Stop. It's also further, she therefore submits that the posts involving only the only duties of in charge headmaster, no rights have been no rights are vested with the petitioner to agitate the same. Stop. Further, in closing submissions, she further submits that this court itself, by an order dated 23/5/2024, since the managing committee has since the managing had expired, had put the school under management and control for the time being under the respondent number 4.
Subdivision School Editions.
Stop. they have submitted that there being no merit writ petition, and that what remains is for the Constitutional Management Committee. The writ petition deserves the consideration. Yes. Next, we record from Mr. S.A. Sheikh, counsel with respondent number 7, has also adopted the submissions made by, supported submissions made by the learned government advocate, and has also submitted that the approval, that there was never any approval of the writ petitioner as in charge headmaster, as on the set date on which it is alleged that the managing committee had approved his appointment, there was no managing committee in existence. He therefore submits that, he therefore prays that the petition also be dismissed. Stop. That's all you have to say, correct?
Another aspect, Lordship, because he is not qualified to become a headmaster.
That is different. Yes, having heard a counsel of the parties, the point in issue, it appears, is limited. The point in issue is very limited. Firstly, in view of the fact that it is not a question of the removal of a petitioner from a substantive post, or that there are any material to show that there has been due approval of the same. Further, the arrangements being of only in charge and view the operation of the orders of this court, whereby the current management, whereby the present, whereby the schools under the what do you call it? For the order.
23rd May 24.
Yes.
23rd 5.
No, sorry. Very limited. Firstly, in view of the or is there any way to show that due approval of his appointment to the said post? Yes. Now, further, the undisputed fact is also that as on date, there is no managing committee in existence, and as can be seen from the order dated 23/5/2024, the respondent number 4 presently looking after the affairs of the school to ensure that the interests of the teachers and students do not suffer. Next paragraph. In the considered view of this court, no vested right, there's the petitioner has not accrued any vested right to claim permanency to the said post, and as such, and the fact that everyone said post and the contention that he was not heard is has also been disproved by the minutes, by the copy of the inquiry report, wherein signature has been appended. Stop. Be that as it may, as the matter is situated thus, it is directed that the respondent number 4 shall take immediate steps for reconstitution of the management committee and for
appointment of the
headmaster by as per due process of law. With the above note directions, the matter is disposed of.
Much obliged.
Yes.
Hello, obliged, my lord.
31.
Hello.
Useful.
Be pleased, my lord.
Yes.
Here, your lordship, the petitioners before your lordship aggrieve against the release of the pensionary benefits to the respondent. My lord, I am aggrieved against the release of the pensionary benefits to the respondent number 5.
Aggrieved by the release or non-release?
Release, my lord. Despite an objection, my lord.
To whom?
Respondent number 5, the second wife. Now, my lord, here, the brief of the matter is that, my lord, the deceased employee during his lifetime, my lord, was working as a fireman at Baringapara, West Garu district of Meghalaya, my lord. But the year 1990, he was married to one Srimati Vilesh R. Marak, who was the first wife, my lord, the mother of the petitioner.
Okay.
Out of the wedlock, 4 children were born, 2 sons and 2 daughters. And the youngest
daughter?
My lord, I'm the eldest daughter. The youngest daughter, my lord, presently she is living with the respondent number 5.
Respondent 5 is the second wife?
Second wife, my lord.
So you mean to say that your mother was initially married to deceased employee?
My lord.
4 children, correct?
4 children.
Now you are seeing separately?
Yes. No, my lord, here, then in the year 2017, my lord, the first wife expired. It is only after the expiry of the first wife, the deceased employee got married, my lord, to the respondent number 5. No, my lord, here sometimes in the year 2022, I have approached the department concerned, my lord, to release the pensionary benefits. But, my lord, my prayer was never considered. It was returned without indicating anything. Then again, my lord, we came to know that the respondent number 5 have approached the department concerned, claiming the pensionary benefits. Now, your lordships, can I have my petition, my lord? Page 18, annexure 4.
Yes.
This is my objection, my lord.
Objection on?
My lord.
14/6/22.
14/6/2022.
Yes. Yes.
Thereafter, my lord, since nothing happened, we have also served a clear notice under section 80 to the department concerned. That's the next page, my lord. My lord, White RTI dated 9/8/2022, that's at page 21. We have sought for information indicating as to who are the nominees in the service book prepared by the government. No, no, lordships, can you have the next page, that is page 22, annexure 7. These are the information provided by the department. Well, we'll have serial number 1.
Yes.
As per page number so-and-so, kinder roll of the service sheet of the deceased employee Bhim Kumar Das, his heirs nominated are as follows. Firstly, my lord, Willis R. Marak, who is the deceased wife. Second, Shri Shashi Ram Das, who is the father of the deceased employee. Srimati Thona Baladas, the mother of the deceased employee. Shri Benjitar R. Marak, son of the deceased employee. Bijita Marak, who is the petitioner here in Malad. Himo Ram Das and Purana Kanto Das, the brothers of the deceased employee. Now, the second, at serial number 2nd, Malad, these are the benefits due.
Yes.
Leave salary amounting to 6,50,000 rupees. The DCRG, 8,11,800 rupees. The Meghalaya Police Social Security Scheme, 99,000 rupees, and the GPF amounting to rupees 3,40,000 rupees. Now, my lord, going to the affidavit filed by the state respondent, also can you have the affidavit filed by the state respondent?
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Yes.
My lord, can you have?
Yes. Very short affidavit.
Short affidavit, my lord.
Yes.
Can you also can you have annexure 2 and 3, page 7 and 8. This is the order issued by the respondent number 2. We'll also can you see the date 17/6/2022. This is with regards to leave salary.
Yes, this is the order. Yes.
And the next page, my lord, order dated 22/6/2022. This is with regards to the DCRG.
Okay.
Yeah, my lord, despite an objection on 14/6/2022, the benefits were released, my lord, to the respondent number 5. Your lordships are very much aware, when there's a claim and counterclaim between the parties, the department concerned ought to have settled first the disputes before releasing any pensionary benefits, my lord.
They already taken this money.
My lord.
They already taken this money now.
My lord, yes.
So what remains on the family pension?
No, my lord, the family pension here, my lord, I'm not, because I'm not entitled to family pension anymore.
So who's getting family pension now?
Family pension, I think, my lord, it has already been sanctioned to the respondent number 5.
So what do you have to file a suit now?
Now, my lord, again here, if lordships kindly have the affidavit filed by the private respondent.
No, that's it. This is the affidavit, that's all.
No, my lord, kindly have the affidavit filed by the respondent number 5.
Now from the AG, we release all the money.
The AG, my lord, here
Number 5.
doesn't state much, my lord. Here they have issued the pension payment order with regard to family pension.
Yes.
Now, my lord, what I'm concerned here, my lord, is here, lordships kindly have the annexure 4 at page 22 of the affidavit filed by the private respondent. No, my lord, page 22.
Yes.
No, my lord, here, from page 22 onwards, here various forms has been appended to the affidavit, my lord. Form 8. Now, my lord, Form 8 is in terms, my lord, of Rule 53 of the Meghalaya Service Pension Rules, my lord. Yeah, my lord, the deceased employee expired while at service, my lord, in harness. He died on harness, my lord.
Okay.
While serving service. So, my lord, here, after the death of the deceased employee, the department concerned has to comply with some procedures, my lord, and intimate the relatives of the deceased employee.
I didn't get you. What do you say? Sorry?
My lordships, kindly, lordships have the Rule 53 of the Meghalaya Service Pension Rules.
What does it say?
Case where death occurs while in service.
This is civil amendment rules, huh?
This is amended rules, my lord.
Rule 53?
Rule 53.
Unamended?
It is amended, my lord. Some rules has been amended.
48 been amended, other been amended.
Yes, 48 has been amended, my lord.
53?
53.
53 says...
This is the procedures, my lord.
Yes.
Lordships have it.
Information of dead officer.
Yes. While in service, the administrative authority will send a letter as prescribed in Form number 7 to the family of the deceased and ask for the necessary formal application in Form 8 and the documents mentioned therein.
That time when he died, your mother's still alive?
My lord?
Your mother's still alive when he died?
No, my lord. The first wife expired first, then the deceased employee.
Oh, sorry, yes. Of course, he married again.
Yes.
Yes. Sorry, yes. Okay, fine. Then?
No, my lord, you will kindly see the annexures. My lord, can you have page 25?
Yes.
Here, no date has been given, my lord, as to when all these were served or when the procedure has been complied with, because here simply, my lord, you can have the bottom page. The signature and simply 7/11 was written, my lord, here. So
7/11, yes.
Yes. But the year was never mentioned here, my lord. Similarly, my lord, at page 26, then at page 27.
You can bring the records.
My lord, that's why initially also, my lord, I've prayed that the recourse may be called for. Now here, my lord, now the
Because
interesting
you're
part.
alleging that in spite of your objections, that's
Yes,
the main ground.
my lord.
That after your objection was lodged on 14/6/2022,
14/6.
then on 17/6/22 and 22/6/22 they release all the benefits to
My
the
lord,
respondent.
yes.
That's all.
That's all. Now, my lord, kindly have the last page of the affidavit, page 33.
Then you have, but the only thing is that they've already taken the money. So how do you recover it?
Now, my lord, as per my instruction, I think 80% has been released, so the remaining 20% of it been there.
So they give it to you.
No, I'm not asking everything. Initially, it has to be shared equally.
So give it 20% and close the case.
Lord, I appear for the respondent number 5.
No, wait, we'll hear you. Yes, what do you want more do you want to say?
No, my lord, page 33. This is
Yeah.
Form 17, my lord. You, my lord, will have from the...
What is this? This is family. When is this somebody? 711. Your name is here also.
You, my lord, here. Now, if I may take a lordship to the initial nominees.
No, this nominee is Bijita Marak,
My lord.
Marak, Anisha Marak, yes, and Tunika.
Even these will have to be seen whether it has been prior or after the death of the deceased
Now,
employee. Because
this
here
is-
you
when
lordship
was
to
this
see the
document made?
signature.
You get instructions. When was this document made? Yes, what do you want to say?
My lord, my submission, primary submission would be whether or not my learned friend's client petition has a locus of file. If he is asking for the pension, Rule 40 clearly mentions who are to be treated as family. It is the wife, in case of a male officer, the minor sons, and the unmarried minor daughters. The petitioner in this case, my lord, is
She is married.
married and a major daughter.
Already married also?
My lord,
Yes,
yes.
Then?
No, my lord, here what I'm
There is
saying.
no claim on their part.
I'm not claiming the family pension. I'm here only with
I
regards to the
understand,
discharge.
I understand. But then what right do you have then?
Your lordship, I'll take your lordship to...
Lordship, she's also crossed the age of 25 years.
How old are you now?
Now, my lord, I'm I think 26.
27, I think.
27, my lord, because this was here filed last year. If your lordships can you give me some urgent, can your lordship come to Rule 40 of the
Then
said
you
rules?
see, whatever it is already extinguished your rights. Yes, since you're married, so Rule 40.
Rule 40. This is regard, my lord, to the death cum retirement gratuity. Now, my lord, if your lordships kindly have sub Rule 5. Your lordships have it?
Yes.
For the purposes of these rules and Rules 41 and 43, family members of a government servant means wife or wives including judicially separated wife or wives in the case of a male government servant, husband including judicially separated husband in the case of a female government servant. The third one is the bottom, my lord. Sons and daughters including stepsons, stepdaughters, adopted
Where?
sons and adopted daughters, whether married or not.
Whether it's married or not.
My lord, sub Rule 5, then again, Roman 3 lordships have.
Where? Sons, adopted sons. Daughters, except daughters, adopted daughters. That's all.
Whether married or not.
No, that's not here.
I don't have that.
My lord, I have the amended one, my lord. Here.
When's amended?
This was, your lordships, I think it's been amended on
2010 or 98?
substitute the first amendment. 89, my lord.
89?
Sorry, my lord. There has been substituted.
89 is the original one.
Yes, yes.
First amendment is 89.
89.
89, I'm
Now
looking at
it is
89.
the latest
It's
amendment
not
is
here.
gone.
Married daughters and children of PDC son. See, it's only definition of family. And about entitlements, you look Rule 48.
Yes, my lord, that is regards to family pension, yes.
Then?
Now here I'm, now Rule 40, my lord,
See.
DCRG.
See. The thing is that they've all taken the money. So like whatever it is,
But
if
again,
you
my lord,
want to recover or to prove that you're still eligible also, then or whatever. The only case, the only thing that came to mind of the court is that objection was
My
filed.
lord, that is the
I think they didn't settle it and to say that you're not entitled or whatever, and they proceeded to disburse amount. That's the only thing. What do you have to say, Ambassador?
Lordship, as per our affidavit, Lordship, we've been relying on the fact that the applicant here in the petitioner, Lordship, has already crossed 25 years of age. Number 2, she's married. And number 3, Lordship, another legal heir, that is her own biological sister, is in the custody of the respondent, number 5, Lordship. She's a permissible legal heir within 48, Lordship. She's the daughter of the deceased employee. And they have had nothing to say with regard to the petitioners had nothing to say with regard to the custody.
41(1)(a)?
Well, yes, Your Lordship, can you have this 41 also?
41(1)(a).
The gratuity payable under Rule 40 shall be paid to the persons on whom the right to receive the gratuity is conferred by means of a nomination under Rule 43. Now, Lord, if there is no nomination, or the nomination made does not subsist, the gratuity shall be paid to the nearest heir of the government servant according to his personal law to whom.
See, you were there as a family, whatever, but then you by a flux of time ineligible anymore, and the wife has taken it. So what quarrel do you have?
Again, my Lord, here, as I've pointed
by
out,
Operation 48(1)(a) only.
Yes.
Yes. Then what right do you still seek to maintain, apart from only that your national justice thing?
Now, my Lord, we have to see the nominees because.
Initially, the nominee,
what? The second.
See, you might be a nominee, you might be considered family, but at that point, as per 48(1)(a), you won't be eligible anymore.
Yes, my Lord. As per 48, I'm not eligible. I'm not eligible only for a family pension, but I'm not here DCR.
That'll apply the same thing.
Nomination is not a right.
How do you make DCRG and between family pension or whatever? Those are called terminal benefits. Terminal benefits are what? Then terminal benefits include the whole basket, whether family pension, DCRG, or any other.
True.
So leave encashment, everything. That is the term benefits of employee, correct? So then, you can't split it and say DCRG entitled, family pension entitled. It can't be that way. Yes. It is term benefits only. Term benefits means. Where do you have any decision to show the distinction between the entitlement to family pension and to DCRG and other things?
No, I've gone through some decisions which says that DCRG is not part of the family pension. It is a lump.
It is not part of. It is not part of family pension, but it's part of terminal benefits which is deceased employees entitled to. That's all. That's all. Yes. Then. What to do, Mr. Sangma? Yes. Where's the affidavit of the state?
It's on board, Lordship, 1, 2, 3.
I'm going to go with the pension rules. 1 second. No, the amendment. There is amendment. Mini. There's no official compendium of this pension rule, all amendments.
There is actually,
Lordship. Official publications,
yes.
There are amendments.
I have this publication made by Senior Advocate Mr. S.P. Mahanta. So I think this has been amended.
Assam Law House.
Yes.
Let us see that, yes. More convenient. Then this is just a, photostat of.
Because they've amended Rule 48.
Done. Must be in the library. Get it? Otherwise. See, the thing is that if a book is at least amendments are inserted there.
Yes.
Here, nothing. You have to look at. Yes. Where's 48(1)(a)? Yeah, Mr. So I don't think. This computation is not important. That the gratuity that it just says that suppose within 5 years
Yes,
he dies, then how do you compute?
I've highlighted those some relevant provisions.
Yes.
Because I've highlighted some of those relevant provisions.
Yes.
Rule 43. Because gratuity, my lord, I'm
The thing
entitled
is that,
whether
see,
married
we
or not
cannot find
married.
anything wrong in the decision of the state respondents.
No, my lord, but here again, my lord, the procedures. I'm
Because if
disputing
you are
the
not
procedures.
entitled anymore.
Well, yes, finally mentioned you're not entitled anymore.
Yes.
But again, my lord, the procedures where it has been as per the procedures.
That's the only thing. But then, if you look at totality, why subject the small people to further, headache and shame? We'll close it.
My lord.
Yes.
Leave it to lord.
Take down. Further counsels for the parties stop the grievance of the writ petitioner or the prayer writ petitioner in the instant by the instant writ petition is for issuance of directions to respondents to recall the sanction accorded to the respondent number 5 with respect to the terminal or pensionary benefits such as DCRG, leave, salary, or any other benefits of one late Bhim, the alias long at BIM Mardas, were died in harness. Stop. Next paragraph. The petitioner is stated to be one of the 4 children of the deceased employee. To whom their mother, namely late, where's the name of the first wife?
Late Willish R. Marak, my lord.
Willish R. Marak was married to. Stop. When did he die?
The employee, my lord.
At the time of the death of the said employee, bracket father petitioner, you're saying he was married to the respondent number 5, to whom the sanction has been accorded. So, next paragraph. Mrs. C.C. Sangma has submitted that though objections had been filed before the respondents on 14/6/22 with regard to the disbursal of the terminal benefits, the respondents immediately thereafter, by orders dated 17/6, where's that in your petition? 17.
The affidavit of the state respondent.
The affidavit of the state.
My lord.
Immediately thereafter by?
Page 7 and 8.
Of the state. Immediately thereafter. No. That first 2 sanctions, where's that?
The affidavit of the state.
Yes. Immediately
Page 7 and
thereafter, by order dated 17/6/2022, had sanctioned the leave salary, and by order dated 22/6/22, had sanctioned the retirement or DCRG in favor of the respondent number 5.
Lordship, may I?
Yes.
Lordship, with regard to this annexure 4 at page 18, my lord, this is a letter that has been sent by them to the respondents, no doubt, but it's not a received copy, my lord.
No, that's a submission.
Lordship.
I record your submissions.
Lordship. My apologies, Lordship.
That's his problem. Yes. Yes. He submits that the respondents therefore have acted illegally and arbitrarily in releasing the said amounts without the objections of the writ petition being taken into consideration. Stop. Next paragraph. MS NG Shilla Lanet, Senior Government Advocate, in reply to the submissions made by the replied submissions, has placed reliance on the affidavit and has stated that apart from there being no succession certificate in favor of the writ petitioner, by operation of Rule 41 bracket 1 bracket A of the Meghalaya Civil Service Pension Rules 93 as amended, the petitioner is no longer entitled to the pensionary or other terminal benefits of her father. She further submits that the respondents have duly considered the claims and the claims of this set of the respondent number 5, who had filed all the requisite documents in support of her claim, and after thorough verification thereof of the testimonials and in accordance with Section 48 of the said rules, provisional terminal benefits were then sanctioned in favor of respondent number 5. She therefore submits that no rights being vested with the writ petition any longer. In view of situation, the writ petition is liable to be dismissed. Yes, Mr. N. Chaudhary, what do you have to say?
N. Chaudhary, Madam.
Yes, what do you have to say?
Madam, my primary submission is that as per Rule 48.1, as per the definition of family, the petitioner is no longer is entitled to the pension, and moreover, sub-rule 4 also provides the order in which the pension is to be provided. It provides that in the event of remarriage or death of the widow or widower, the pension will be granted to the minor children through the natural guardian. I'm sorry, madam. It is 3. Pension awarded under this rule shall not be payable to more than one member of an officer's family at the same time. It will first be admissible to the widow or widower. Here, my lord, the respondent number 5
is the widow.
Is the second wife who was married after the death of the first wife. And in case there are two wives, there is a particular note at the end of sub-rule 2 which provides, in cases where there are 2 or more widows, pension will be payable to the eldest surviving widow. On her death, it will be payable to the next surviving widow, if any.
Yes.
The term eldest would mean seniority with reference to the date of marriage.
Yes.
In the present case, she is the only surviving widow. And as such, as per the rules, as per the order, she is the first one who is to be served, and in her absence, the minor daughter. Deeply obliged.
Right. Mr. N. Chaudhary, Bharat number 5, apart from supporting, endorsing the submissions made by the senior advocate, has also drawn the attention, has also submitted that by the operation of the rules itself, the petitioner will no longer be entitled to the said pension. Stop. The Learned Council has then read out Rule 48, 1.4.
My lord, 1.3.
No. It will be 48. It will be 48. 1.
1A is the.
If son married among 2 children, so and so. B, the more one son, it will be 4.
My lord, the sub-rule 3 of Rule 48.
What rules? Let me see the book. This is very confusing.
No, there's no sub-rule 3.
What book are you referring to?
My lord, it was a download from the online portal.
Where are you reading? 48.1?
48.1, my lord, is the definition of family.
Yes, A first category, B second category, 3 second category, B will be 48.1B3. How is 41B3? If it's under B, it will be 48.
This has been amended, my lord. 48 has been amended, so that has been.
No. I'm talking about how it's given in this book.
Okay, 48.
See,
My lord, will have the next page. Here has been written before renumbered.
very confusing. One second. I think one of you lawyers has to bring out this compendium and pensions. They see what they do is that when the amendments are made, you insert the amended by,
Yes,
like deleted by
It
so
has
and
been
so.
done in that,
This is not done here.
Yes.
Next page, my lord, this is there.
Deleted written.
It has been before renumbered something.
Where is it deleted?
Not deleted. Your lordships kindly have that before renumbered. It has been written.
Where is it deleted by amendments also?
Not written deleted, but it has been written just renumbered.
And should reflect. No, then you know that this it B1, 2 have been deleted. Correct.
Yes.
Then it's not here. So we tell Mr. Prasimanta his book needs amendment. Yes. One second. That is very confusing.
My lord, as per the amendment, if I go by, my learned friend has just provided me a copy. It will be under 48.1A, the first category, widow or widower up to the date of death or remarriage, whichever is earlier. Thereafter, the son or daughter, including the widowed daughter, up to the date of.
One second, Mr. Chaudhary, 1 second. Let me try to get the gazetted amended copy from here. Amended. Yes. Okay. Yes, okay. Now, you see amended copy is 48.
48, yes, my lord. 48.1A would be the first category.
1A,
yes.
First category.
And thereafter, in the second category, it is also provided.
See, it'll fall under second category.
1B.
It'll be 48, 1B3, but 1 and 2 have disappeared also. Unmarried, widow, divorced daughter are covered by first category. First category, son, daughter, include widowed daughter up to the date of her marriage, remarriage, or till the date she starts earning. First category is 48.1.2, right?
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
This is the amended one. I'm sorry.
That's the amended one.
That's amended one.
But I think something has to be done about this. At least to get correct.
They have published the amended, but my lord, they have never given any
They
footnotes.
published amended, but they have not
Yes,
indicated in the.
Yeah, in the footnote it
indicated in
indicated
the.
it has been deleted or amended.
It should indicate which has been deleted. Which has been added. Yes. So we're coming back to your submissions. Yes. You submit that? No.
My lord, still it remains the same. As per the order of succession, the widower is first.
And has read out section 48(1)(a)(2) of the amended rule 48 to show that son, daughter, to show that the petitioner does not come within the definition of a person who would be eligible to family pension or other term benefits. Therefore, praise that the writ petition be next paragraph. Considering the nature of the case and having examined the materials record as well as the relevant provisions, firstly, for the sake of convenience, the amended Rule 48(1) for 48 is to produce everything is reproduced here and below. Stop. The petitioner is undisputedly the major first daughter of the deceased employee. Stop. And by operation of the rules itself, In the first category, the first claim would be to the widow or widower up to date of death or remarriage, and second would be the son stroke daughter, including widowed daughter, as given in the up to the date of his or her remarriage as given in the rule above quoted. Stop. In yes, fine. As shown in the above quoted section. Stop. In view of this clear definition with regard to entitlement of terminal benefits, the petitioner, being not eligible due to the fact that she has attained she's above 25 years old and is also married, no longer makes her eligible for any. That doesn't make her cannot sustain her claim to be eligible for the terminal benefits of her deceased father. According to the short point, the petition is rejected and matter stands disposed this.
Punishable, Lordship.
Yes. This is the correct one. Front flag. There will be a last amendment 2010.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to submit one thing, Your Lordship. In earlier writ petition which was disposed of by Your Lordship, one miscase was there, interim stay was there. So we did not mention about the.
What happens when the main case is disposed of? When the
Lord,
main tree is cut down, what happens to the branches?
my Lord, this is not a case of dismiss, Lordship. Some observation is given, Lordship.
Disposed of, I
so, yes, Lordship. So they will take the advantage of the interim order, Lordship.
What interim order?
Interim order is
It
still.
will be recorded. There will be some miscase in that order automatically come.
No, in the main case, Lordship. Order has been passed in the main case,
Main
Lordship.
case.
Okay, you give them miscase.
Yes, Lordship.